Hi, welcome to You Old and Retro. My name is Vincent and welcome to another video. Now, I hope you all are keeping safe in this epidemic, coronavirus pandemic basically. It's obviously been really hard on a lot of people and I hope everyone's keeping safe, social distancing, looking after family members and friends, neighbours, and everyone out there, because obviously it's very important for people to stay basically safe, but at the same time make sure that mentally you're not degrading back. Obviously, some people are out there alone, and at the end of the day, it's going to be very hard for some people, hard for some families, and even harder for people who have lost family members as well, or friends. So what I want to talk about basically is this channel, and the whole thing is that primarily I did it as a unboxing channel for technology, hopefully get some reviews out there, but the thing about technology is it costs money, or costs a lot of money shall we say, if you want to unbox anything that's worthwhile. Now sometimes I have unboxed things which I bought personally because I thought it was of value, it's been really helpful, but in the long run I want to see so I would say divert some of my time to doing reviews or initial impressions of things like games. I'm quite a big gamer, but what I found is basically I've run less and less time to do games, um, and even work on the channel or anything like that. And the primary thing I want to be doing is at least reaching out to with some content at least. Now I have picked up there's a bundle that's come out recently that I picked up, which literally has hundreds of different projects, and then it came with me. It's a good idea to obviously showcase some games which are not of the AAA variety, shall we say. There's plenty of games out there where they don't get the respect or the recognition that these games should receive, simply because they lack the marketing or they lack some of the manpower behind it to help drive the game into the sort of bigger areas. Now, online has been really good for a lot of game companies now, especially the fact that I've seen plenty of digital platform games only come out, which have been really successful for people. So my idea is to obviously get behind a lot of this and hopefully push some more additional better content out on the software side of things. So with that in mind, the next few videos I'll be doing are going to be gaming orientated. There's I literally picked up hundreds of games, either off the Steam library or otherwise, and then the idea is that I want to give us a slice of time to these games and see if they're fun. Play the first 10-15 minutes maybe, or as much as I can in the first session, and then get out there with my initial impressions and also give basically people an idea of what a game is about basically, because the first 10-15 minutes of a game are what hooks you in the first place. There's no reason why a small 100 megabyte game can't hook you in. It's much like a AAA game with its immense graphics and storylines that have all been written on through multiple people. Sometimes these games are written by one person. The same person programs it, does all the graphics and everything. And I want to really I really respect that sort of mindset of the small studios working on really key, small, tidy games which are a bit different and more often than not have a retro feel to a lot of these games. So thanks for listening to me, and hopefully I'll see you in another video, in the next videos where I'll be talking about each game in question. Thanks very much.